MORIDE does metal fabrication primarily, related to all kinds of different industries, a lot in the RV industry, into automotive, medical, and anything that takes metal fabrication. MORIDE is big on the culture of our production floor. As we're trying to adjust a process, implement a new process, that's an absolute must to be able to get the operator on board with it. And ideally, you want it to be, they interact with it when they need it, it's a value add for them, and otherwise it's not cumbersome. Everywhere in MORIDE is really kind of efficiency driven and production driven on the production floor. That's a big level of importance for them. The goal for the chassis line was to have Pico operating in the background, being the gatekeeper, collecting all the data that it needed to, and otherwise almost be non-existent from the operator perspective. I like seeing from the data out of Pico, if the rate is too high, we're going to see piece by piece across several different operators, pick your shift. This is what the rate is at. And whatever large time frame you do or don't want to look at, you can look at the rate on this day by this operator, you can look at the rate for this week, month, etc. And it's all in there. I didn't know the chassis process super well at the time, but that's another part of my role is I jump in, I learn what the process is, where are the issues, and then hopefully come up with a solution. Pico was kind of a lifesaver in that specific application for us. We were also really looking for that gatekeeper to make sure that a chassis would not ship, would not advance if all the appropriate and correct fasteners were not torqued out to the right torque application and the right count of fasteners. We had looked at several different potential solutions specific to tooling, specific to one particular tooling vendor, but it really wasn't the fit that we were looking for. We needed something that was foolproof, and we needed something that hopefully the operators wouldn't struggle with, they wouldn't fight it. It would be running out of the way and a guaranteed solution.